So we have created a program called Road Lane Detection Program. This program is made by OpenCV and Python and contain at least 50 to 60 lines. This program basically has three functions called region of interest, second processing, and third one draw lines. Each function has its own importance. If you are interested in road lane detection program, then comment me. I will make a separate tutorial for the road lane detection program. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and subscribe the channel.